Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this smart band. First we need to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by tapping on it. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, like the sun icon. Once you find this icon, you can tap on it and it will open the brightness menu, and here you can adjust the screen brightness by swiping up and down on this slider. And once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen to go back to watch face. You can also adjust the screen brightness through settings. So let's swipe up on the home screen to open the menu, then scroll down, find the settings icon, then tap on it to enter the settings. And here we have the display option. Select it, then tap on brightness. And again, it will open the brightness menu. We can adjust the brightness. And once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.